fried egg burger. Now these burgers are a great alternative for the usual meat burgers that we have. Now this burger has a flavorful masala fried egg that goes extremely well with the mint mayo. This will be your go-to burger from the moment you try it, and I'm sure it's going to be your kids' favorite snack. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to make the potato masala. For this, take a pan, add a little oil. To this, add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped. After 30 seconds, I'm adding 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. To this, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chili powder. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep the flame on low while adding the spice powders because you don't want to burn them. Now add the boiled and cut potatoes. Toss the potatoes in the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's all coated with the masala, finally add half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Turn off the stove and squeeze the juice of half lemon. Now that's done, I'm going to mash the potatoes. Make sure to mash the potatoes while they are still hot. Cool the potato mixture and then make the patties for the burger. So next I'm going to show you how to make a nice mint mayo. For this, take 1 green chili, a handful of fresh mint leaves, a few coriander leaves, the juice of 1 lemon, half teaspoon sugar, quarter teaspoon rock salt, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Add some water and grind it to a smooth paste. The mint chutney is ready. I'm going to mix the mint chutney with the mayo. Now the mint mayo is ready. The potato mixture is cooled down completely. Make the potato patties a bit smaller than your burger buns. I'm going to slightly fry the patties on both sides to give it a crispy texture. For this, take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Flip it to the other side. Fry for about 2 minutes on low flame on each side. You can see it's got a lovely golden brown color to it. Next, take a pan. I'm going to slightly toast the burger buns on both sides. Cut the buns into half. You can either use ghee or butter to toast them. I'm taking a little ghee. Keep the flame on medium and toast them till you get a nice golden brown color on the inside. I've just slightly toasted the buns. Keep them aside. Next, I'm going to make the fried egg. For this, pour 1 teaspoon of oil onto the pan. Crack open an egg. Reduce the flame. Sprinkle some chili powder, salt. Just gently flip it over. Fried egg is done. To layer the burgers, slice some tomatoes and onions. Now I'm going to layer the burger. I have the toasted burger bun here. Spread the mint mayonnaise on both sides of the burger buns. Add 2 slices of tomato. Place the potato patty. Place the onion rings. Place the fried egg. There is your delicious masala fried egg burger. Now that you've seen how to make these delicious masala fried egg burgers, why wait? Get started, start cooking and enjoy these burgers with your children. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.